Prime Minister Modi is on a two-day visit to his home state Gujarat. This marks the Prime Minister's first visit to Gujarat after the successful Operation Sindoor. A grand welcome is planned for Prime Minister Modi by BJP members. During his visit, Prime Minister Modi will launch a slew of projects in Gujarat, including the inauguration of projects worth 82,000 crore rupees. He will also hold roadshows in Vadodara, Bhuj and Ahmedabad. His journey will begin with a roadshow in Vadodara at 9:45 a.m., followed by the unveiling of a locomotive plant in Dahod. In the afternoon, Prime Minister Modi will hold a roadshow in Bhuj, and in the evening, his last roadshow will take place in Ahmedabad at 7:45 p.m.
गुजरात में 82,500 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा रकम के लोकार्पण एवं खातमुहूर्त के कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन किया गया है। गुजरात के लोगों में प्रधानमंत्री जी के गुजरात प्रवास को लेकर बहुत ही उत्साह है और लोग उनके स्वागत के लिए संपूर्ण तैयार हैं।
And my colleague Brijesh Doshi is now joining us with more details on Prime Minister's visit. Brijesh, a very good morning to you. At what time can we expect the Prime Minister to arrive in Gujarat, and what all is on the agenda today?
Right now we are at Vadodara. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will land here around 10:15 a.m. So in the morning around 10:15 a.m. PM will reach to the Vadodara, where he will hold a road show. Right now I'm at the airport circle. PM's road show will begin from the airport and it will be around a 2-kilometer long road show where more than 30,000 female or the women will welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi after the Operation Sindoor. So this will be the crucial road show where the woman, the female Karyakarta of BJP will welcome PM. They will thank PM Narendra Modi for the Operation Sindoor. Right now you can see the visuals of tricolor, of Indian tricolor at all the area of the Vadodara. This is the momentum we can see here. People are excited about the Prime Minister's visit, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this is the second road show. Earlier, he did the road show at the same location with the Spain's PM. Once again, PM is coming to the Vadodara, where he will hold a road show. There will be 3 road show after Vadodara. There will be in the Bhuj, and in the evening, Ahmedabad will also see a massive road show where more than 50,000 Karyakarta will be welcoming the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In between that, Prime Minister will address 2 huge gatherings in Dahod and Bhuj for more than 1.5 lakh people. So this will be the PM's program. Very tight schedule from 10 a.m. to evening 8 p.m. So this will be the PM's tight schedule. Once again, I will show you the visuals that how people are coming here in a huge, large number to welcome the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, be it the young boys or the female worker of the BJP, and the locals of Vadodara are joining this road show, and they are here to witness this historic road show of Prime Minister Narendra Modi after his first visit of Gujarat after the Operation Sindoor.
All right, Brijesh, thank you for getting us all those details right from the ground.